In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place a trade during extended hours on Robinhood using your PC. Whether you're looking to buy or sell stocks or crypto outside of the regular market hours, Robinhood gives you the flexibility to do so in just a few straightforward steps. Let's walk through the entire process together, and I'll also share some important tips and context along the way. To get started, make sure you're signed in to your Robinhood account on your computer. Once you're logged in, navigate to the stock or cryptocurrency you want to trade. You can do this by entering the asset's name in the search bar at the top of the screen or by browsing your watch list or portfolio. This brings up the main page for that specific asset, where you'll see the price, performance data, and trading chart. Let's take a closer look at the chart. In addition to the regular trading session, Robinhood offers the ability to trade during extended hours. If extended hours trading is available for your chosen stock or crypto, you'll notice that the price chart displays two different shades of color. The regular session, which occurs from 9:30 in the morning to 4 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern Time, will have one shading, while any trades that occur before or after those hours will appear in a lighter color. Pre-market activity, that's any movement before 9:30 a.m., as well as after-hours trading, which happens after 4:00 p.m., are both included in this lighter section. This helps you clearly see how the market has moved, even when the main trading session is closed. Now, when you're ready to make a trade, look for the trade button near the top right of the assets page. Click it, then choose either buy or sell, depending on what you'd like to do. This will bring up the order entry form where you'll customize your trade details. One important section here is called Time in Force. Click on this drop-down menu and be sure to choose the option for extended hours. This is crucial because it tells Robinhood to execute your order during the pre-market or after-hours period, rather than waiting for the regular session. With that set, enter the number of shares you'd like to trade, as well as your desired price. It's important to note that in extended hours trading, Robinhood requires you to use a limit order. This means you're specifying the exact price you're willing to pay or receive, rather than letting the trade execute at whatever the current market price is. This adds a layer of protection, especially since prices can move rapidly and liquidity is sometimes lower during these windows. Take another moment to review all the information you've entered. Once everything looks correct, click the review button to check your order summary once again. If you're satisfied, go ahead and hit submit to place your order. That's all there is to it. Trading during extended hours on Robinhood can help you react to news and market moves outside the normal session. But always keep in mind that extended hours trading can involve higher volatility and wider spreads. Make sure to double check your order details before submitting, and happy trading.